The Philip A. Conley Award annually recognizes the best in Army dining facilities. The staff of the Daegu Mountain Inn seek to set themselves apart by winning this year's competition.
The Philip A. Conley competition is something that, as a food service personnel, you strive to compete in. That's when you have the opportunity to really show your skills as a food service specialist.
The food service workers conducted their normal operations while inspectors critiqued their performance.
This is what they do on a daily basis. It's just a day that the Army decided to recognize us and put us in the competition so now that the Army can see, not just the installation.
The Philip A. Conley Award was established in 1968 to recognize excellence in Army food service. Army Sergeant Kingston Dillard, Camp Walker, Korea.